Hello students, welcome back in SST class. Take out chapter number 1. Students, in the last class we learned to locate eastern, southern, western and central states on map. And here are some questions regarding that. So our first question is, which two states share the common capital? Second, how many states are there in South India? Third, which state is famous for Asiatic lions? Fourth, in which state Thar Desert is located? So students, our today's objective is to locate northeastern states of India and second, to locate Union Territories of India. So students, first we will focus on northeastern states of India. These states are known as Seven Sisters of India because of the similarity between states in terms of geographical features and their interdependence on each other. And East India is one of the most eco-friendly area in India and is famous for its natural beauty, diversity, people and culture. So this is a map of India where I have located northeastern states. So at number 1 is Assam and its capital is Dispur. Assam is famous for Assam tea and Assam silk. At second number is Arunachal Pradesh and its capital is Itanagar. This state is known as Land of the Rising Sun. At third number is Nagaland and its capital is Kohima. Nagaland is famous for its scenic beauty. At fourth number is Manipur. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. Manipur is famous for its Loktak Lake and this is the only moving lake in the world. At fifth number is Mizoram and its capital is Aizawl. Mizoram is a state with the highest literacy rate in India. At sixth number is Tripura and its capital is Agartala. Tripura is famous for its toy train and fruit gardens. At last, we have Meghalaya and its capital is Shillong. Meghalaya is known as abode of clouds and is famous for its high rainfall. Students, now let's recall the seven sisters of India and these are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. Students, now we will discuss Union Territories of India. A Union Territory is a type of administrative division in the Republic of India. We know that the states of India have their own governments and all the Union Territories are directly controlled by the central government of India. So let's start the map of Union Territories. So at number 1 is Ladakh and its capital is Leh. Ladakh is famous for its mountains, valleys, etc. At second number we have Jammu and Kashmir. This Union Territory has two capitals, that is Jammu and Srinagar. Srinagar is the capital in summer and Jammu is the capital in winter. Jammu and Kashmir is world famous for its scenic beauty, snow-capped mountains, wildlife, local handicrafts, etc. At number 3 we have Chandigarh and it is the capital of Punjab and Haryana. Chandigarh is famous for its urban planning and modern architecture. So at fourth number we have Delhi and Delhi is India's capital. Delhi is famous for its tourist attraction like India Gate, Qutub Minar, Lotus Temple, etc. And Delhi is the second wealthiest city in India. It is also known as Mini India because of the many religion and culture that prevail in the area with peace and harmony. At fifth number is Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu and its capital is Daman. This is famous for its tourism, Portuguese architecture, festival, seafood, etc. At sixth number is Lakshadweep and its capital is Kevarati. This Union Territory is situated in Arabian Sea It is well known for its white sand beaches with clear blue water and marine life, and also known for pearl fishing. At 7th number we have Puducherry and its capital is Pondicherry. Puducherry is famous for Stone Beach, Aurobindo Ashram, etc. At last we have Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Union Territory of India is situated in the Bay of Bengal. Andaman and Nicobar Islands have India's best nesting beaches and also famous for white sandy beaches and sparkling blue water. So students, there are 8 union territories of India. Let's refresh them quickly. We will start with Ladakh, then Jammu and Kashmir, Chandigarh, Delhi, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep, Puducherry and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So students, we have completed today's topic and today we learned to locate northeastern states and union territories of India on map. So students, your homework is to do map practice and to do exercise C on book and question number 1, 2, 3, 4 of exercise E on copy. Thank you.